Hi, this is John from Homeneer.com. In this video I will show you how to replace wheels on inline skates or rollerblades. So let's jump in. So before you go ahead and buy new wheels, you should check on your inline skates what it says about the wheel size. So here on this one it says 82 millimeters is the maximum size and the minimum size is 78 millimeters. But actually these wheels which are on these skates are 84 millimeters, so I know that 84 actually does fit in, and the hardness or softness is 80A. So you can go online and find different wheels. These ones are K2 84 millimeter wheels. I know they fit into these skates, and the hardness is 82A, so they are a bit harder than the old ones. Something else you need to keep in mind is that you need some tools for changing or replacing the wheels. So an Allen key or Allen wrench that fits here, you can remove the wheels with this. But if you're going to use the old bearings, if you're still happy with how they roll, you can save some money and not buy a kit. And if you're going to use the old bearings, so you will need a bearing pusher or bearing puller tool. So next let's go ahead and remove the wheels from this skate. So on these skates, the wheels, they are worn on the other side. It's always on this is the left skate, so it's always the inner side which is getting worn. It would make sense to, if you want to save money, you could just rotate these wheels. I'll show that in a different video and link it in the description below. But if you're looking for the best performance, you could just go ahead and replace the wheels. So I'll show you how to remove the old wheels and install the new ones. So you'll just use the Allen key or this skate multi-tool to open the axles on the skates. So you can see that these are also ILQ7 bearings, and they're quite dirty, but they do spin actually quite well still. So I'll just keep the good bearings as spare parts for later on. And the wheels are actually still, the other side of the wheel is still quite usable, so I would just rotate the wheels, but these are my wife's and she wants the best performance, so I'll just go ahead and change them for her. for the rest of the wheels. I'll actually just put the 6mm bearing spacer and keep this in one package so that I don't lose them. I like the 6mm bearing spacer more because it's so much easier to get it aligned. You could also put the axle in, and that way you get instantly alignment. You know the axle will fit in again. So in this case I don't actually need to remove both sides, since I just want to change the bearing spacer. So now I can go ahead and put the wheels back in place, or the new wheels, install them. So I put the logo on the Rollerblade side so it looks nicer, but you could do either way and it would work. Also, I'm going to put the axle, I'm going to put the this side of the axle on the outside to match how it was. Just align the hole there, now it's in. And you can use the Allen wrench to tighten it. Don't over tighten, because that will cause the wheel to not spin so well. So that's looking good, looks like new, and 84mm wheels for best performance. So the other one will be just a copy of this audio level. So that's how you replace wheels on inline skates or rollerblades. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for other similar content later on. I will be doing another video on rollerblades. I'll link it below in the description. Also doing bike repair videos and other do-it-yourself content. So see you in the next one, and bye.